July 12th, 2018. Heading out on the MoJoe with Captain Joe at the helm.
Good morning,
It's been,
Captain.
2 weeks since
Good
we got
morning
together.
to you.
All I have to say to you, Captain, is good morning, Captain. Good morning to you.
How are you? We're gonna get them today, George, right?
Hope so. Hope so. We went out Sunday. 4 porgies. You know, 2 fluke, 120 and a half, and 19. But that was with Sal Lloyd and Michael. Wasn't a great day. Well, maybe we'll do better today. Usual. Not toasted today. The toaster was broken. Buttered everything bagel with tons of bacon. Thanks, Saeed and Sam.
George, you got some yet?
I got one.
I'll
Wow,
get-
nice fish, but it feels like
Oh,
I snagged them. My first one of the day, as usual.
didn't need no net for that.
Maybe I'll strip bait them.
Strip them.
Ouch. Yeah, it's good stuff, that video.
Okay, yeah.
Rock and Robin. Rock and Robin.
Coming up.
I think the 4-ounce piece of lead is bigger.
Up.
I don't see nothing.
Well, today's going to be rocker day. Well, we're heading out to our third drop. Nothing going on. Tide is really ripping. We came around the end of Floyd Bennett. Figured maybe it might slow up a little bit, but still moving. Joe's got a 4-ounce on it. Flying. We got just a couple of rockers. I got the 2 to make these queens so far. Joe got 1. That's it. Hasta la vista, baby. And coming into the picture is
Gonzalez.
Yep. They got a fish coming up, Joe. He's coming up. Don't feel like a rocker, though.
No?
No, feels like a fluke. Oh, there he is.
Oh. Oh, yeah.
It's fat, too.
Oh, release. The release.
Joe's got a porgy coming up.
I think it's a sea robin.
And I got a sea robin. I can feel him. Yep, he's got number 2. All right, I'm going to pull mine up. It's going.
It's going. It's going. No, the other fish I had was a porgy, George.
The first one, yeah.
Yeah.
Number 3.
The release? Yeah, it's a release.
Porgy on for Joe. First one of the day.
First one.
Joe, we're coming up to the rip. Put your life jacket on.
Okay.
Hurry up.
I'll give you yours too.
Okay.
Got it?
We're in it. We're in it, Daddy. Oh,
Let me fill your life jacket.
help.
There's that damn ferry.
Fish on, Joe. I got a fluke coming.
Keep him under the water. Don't take him out of the water. Don't take him out. Don't take him out of the water. Where's the net?
It's a 16-foot boat.
Here's the net. We got him. Woo-wee.
And the release.
The release.
Oh, please release me, let me go.
Wow, look at this foggy.
Yeah. Okay, call me lunchtime.
Whoa.
Bye. Holy shit.
When all else fails, we can whip the horses' eyes and make them sleep.
Joe, what'd they throw? Horse shit in the water?
Smells like
Smell it, right?
I thought that was you.
No, I thought that was you.
Might be. Oh, I don't know.
Rockin' Robin, rockin' Robin.
And he's got number 4. We might share this crown today. We're heading out to our final drop for the day. Take about 20 minutes to get there. But I have to say this again. The guy who is not fishing for porgies caught the porgy. And the guy who's fishing for them got nothing. One short.
Oh, George. We have to save the gas. Here.
Okay.
Start rowing.
Okay.
Okay?
You got it.
Okay.
All right, Joe's got something.
Pork chop.
He says it's a pork chop. Yep. Looks like a short.
It's good for the soup. Yeah. 3-pounder.
Hey, what are you doing? Who's running the freaking boat? What are you doing here?
No, I think we're okay. Whoa.
I'm telling you. What's going on here? End of day, and if you don't sit down, it will be end of day. We had a fun day. This morning the tide was ripping like crazy. We couldn't hold with 4 or 5s. I was thinking of throwing Joe overboard to hold bottom, but it turned out really nice. Fish didn't cooperate. 2 short fluke. 2 short porgies caught by Joe. 1 13-inch caught by me. I was Rocker Queen again with 5. Joe had 4. That was it for the day. Now what are you doing? Saving gas? What's going on?
Get the oil. No, give me that camera.
It's running.
It's running. Yeah. This is what I want to show.
Oh, the queen.
Yes. Always the queen.
Yeah, that's what it looks like. The blue one takes the picture.
George.
Talk about wanting to save gas.
Yeah. Row. Second mate. Row.
Yeah.
That's your job now. Row.
Kidding, man, I'll tell you, cheap bastard, you.
Roll. Roll. We're almost there. About another half a mile.
I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
Kodachrome, give us those nice bright colors, give us the greens of summers, makes you think all the world's a sunny day. Oh yeah, I got a Nikon camera, I love to take a photograph.
It's all